Hello YouTubers, it's Mario and Luigi here again with another Yankee candle. Today we are talking about Yankee candle crackling wood fire. Here is the scent description. Hit it, voiceover lady.
Build winter memories around a warm cedarwood fire kindled with sweet whispers of nutmeg and warm amber. Fragrance notes: nutmeg, myrrh and cinnamon, vanilla and amber, sandalwood, cedarwood, smoke and incense.
Great, so let's take a look. It is a light grey colour and it smells of cedarwood. So I will give it 9 out of 10. This candle is an unusual scent, but it is nice. And that is all with you. Thank you for watching. If there is any Yankee candle scent you want to hear about, please tell us in the comments. Goodbye.